Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning chapter 1, Old versus New. So you can see on the last page there is an answer key given here. Okay, so you can write down the answers from the answer keys. Okay, so the first question is, many cities, states and countries have changed their old names. Write the new names by choosing the correct answer from the given below. First is Dhaka, that is Dhaka. You have to write look at DHAKA, Dhaka. Okay? Bombay, it's Mumbai. Ceylon, Sri Lanka. Burma, that is Myanmar. Constantinople, that is Istanbul. Sixth, Calcutta, Kolkata. 7th, Madras, that is Chennai. Orissa, that is Odisha. Persia, that is Iran. Siam, that is Thailand. Peking, that is Beijing. Pataliputra, that is Patna. So chapter 2, Around the World. From the pictures given below, identify the famous explorers and the countries or places they discovered or explored. The first is, name the Chinese scholar who visited India and stayed at the court of Harshavardhana. So that is the first answer for this is James Cook, Hawaiian Islands. Okay. Second is, he was the first man to reach the South Pole. That is Vasco da Gama sea route to India. Third is, he was a Chinese scholar who visited India during 399 to 414 AD in search of Buddhist book, that is Christopher Columbus, Central America. Name the 7 continents of the world. That is the third answer is Christopher Columbus, Central America. Fourth answer is Marco Polo, China. And then all the answers is given here. You can write it down. Okay. So we'll go to lesson number 3, places in news. Here are the names of some places which have been in news during the past few years. Read the clues given below and complete the names of these places. This city is the capital of newly found state and Chhattisgarh, that is Raipur. Second is, also known as Saket, this ancient city is the birthplace of the Lord Rama and the backdrop for the setting of Ramayana, that is Ayodhya. Third is, this small town in Hooghly district was in news because of the proposed construction of the nano factory of Tata Motors. That is third, that is Singur. This state in eastern India was carved out of the southern part of Bihar on 15th November 2000. That is fourth one is Jharkhand. Fifth, formerly known as Taj Expressway, this 6-lane 165 km long controlled SS Expressway connects Greater Noida with Agra in Uttar Pradesh. Fifth one is Yamuna Expressway. Sixth, a new state formed out of the state of Andhra Pradesh in India, that is Telangana. Chapter number 4, Words in News. Given below are some words which have gained popularity in recent times. Use the clue box and write the correct answer. A government formed by 2 or more parties working together are coalition. Okay, COALITION. A discussion or informational site published on the World Wide Web which displays entries or individual or small groups, that is blog. A dispute operations designed to catch a person committing a crime. Sting operation. The use of violence to draw the attention of people, the media and the government and force them to act terrorism. This is a digital book consisting of text, images or both are readable on computers or other electronic devices, that is e-book. The illegal hunting, killing or capturing of wild animals in the wild to earn money by selling the skin or body parts, that is poaching. We go to chapter number 5, that is challengers. Handicapped or disabled people are actually challengers who face the challenges of life with courage and determination. Let us know more about some such people. He was a great English poet and widely known for his epic Paradise Lost. Before writing this famous epic, he became blind at the age of 43. John Milton. Second question. This American runner is the first competitor of Olympic as a blind. From her birth she was blind. She set many records in the Paralympic Games in Atlanta. Marla Runyan. He was a famous scientist and knew 7 languages. He had no control over his limbs and needed a special machine to speak to others. He delivered lectures on physics and the universe. Stephen Hawking. She was only 19 months old when she lost her power of hearing and sight. She learned to speak, read and write and became a good teacher and author. Helen Keller. She is an Indian classical dancer who lost a leg in a road accident. She continued her dancing career with an artificial leg. Sudha Chandran. He lost both his legs in accident when he was a child. He went on to become a very successful ocean swimmer. He was Masudur Rahman Baidya. Chapter 6, Harry Potter in Town. Harry Potter is a series of books well liked by children all over the world. It is about a young boy who studies at a school of witchcraft and wizardry. Let us become young wizards while we enter into his magical world. Choose the correct answer. Harry Potter series is written by J.K. Rowling. The name of the Harry school is Hogwarts. The principal of school is Albus Dumbledore. Harry Potter's best friends are Ronald and Weasley and Hermione Granger. The evil wizard who murdered Harry Potter's parents is Voldemort. Harry Potter's parents were Lily and James. Harry Potter's cousins was Dudley. In which bank did Harry's parents keep their savings? Gringotts. What grand event was held at Hogwarts in Harry's 4th year at school? Triwizard Tournament. In the film Harry Potter, who plays the role of Harry Potter? That is Daniel Radcliffe. Chapter number 7, Sweet Synonyms. Synonyms are words with the same meaning as another but often with different implications. From the letter given above, find words which mean the same as given below. First is happy, pleased. Second, home, residence. Third, attempt, try. Fourth, keen, eager. Fifth, companions, friends. Plan, arrangements. Write the synonyms of following words. The first letter of the synonym has been given as a clue. First is bad, evil. Clothes, apparel. Help, assist. Rude, impolite. Success, victory. Costly, expensive. Big, huge. Mistake, error. Lazy, idle. Smell, odor. Chapter number 8, Tell Tales. Tell Tales. Here are the hints to some famous stories, novels or plays. Write their names and the names of their authors. This series of children's stories featured 5 young detectives who lived in the Kirin Island. Famous 5: Enid Blyton. The story of a whale begins with the lines, "Call me Ishmael." That is Moby, Dick, Herman Melville. This play has historic characters: Brutus, who assassinates his friend, the Emperor of Rome, Julius Caesar, and the author is William Shakespeare. This famous novel begins with the words, "It was the best of times. It was the worst of times." Fourth one is Tale of Two Cities, Charles Dickens. Fifth, story of a statue gilded with gold, eyes made up of two bright sapphires, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. Fifth one is The Happy Princess, Oscar Wilde. This book about prehistoric animals was the basis for a very important popular film in 1993. Sixth, Jurassic Park, Michael Crichton. In which play would you meet Antonio, Shylock, Portia and Jessica? Merchant of Venice, William Shakespeare. This is the story of a poor orphan boy who is adopted by Mr. Brownlow. Oliver Twist, Charles Dickens. Spell check. Chapter number 9, spell check. You are the editor of the Daily Times. You have received the following article from a correspondent reporting on a national book fair. The article has 10 spelling mistakes. Underline the spellings and write the correct spellings in the space provided. So you can see there is a spelling mistakes over here. So the Daily Times, New Delhi. Heavy rush forces organizers to stop entry. So you have to read this article, okay, and you have to search which spelling is wrong. First is organizers. The spelling of organizer is ORGANISERS, organizers. So ये spelling wrong है तो आपको इधर लिखना है organizers. ऐसा जितने भी spellings wrong है you have to write it down and you can even check in your answer key as well. So next, here are some more words which are frequently misspelled. Write the correct spellings. First is foraging, again absence, escape, attendance, professor, envelope, occasion and permanent. Chapter number 10, homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. Read the given clues and write the correct word for each. Chapter number, okay, so the first is pair, peer, couple. Second is pale, fruit that grows on a tree. Pair, couple and pear, fruit that grows on a tree. Dash, pale, bucket, pale, light colored. Pale. Third is flower, colorful part of a plant. Flower, white powder used for cooking. And six-legged creature that digs a tunnel. Aunt, your father's sister. So in this way you have to write down the names, okay? You can check the same things in your answer key. Chapter number 11, figurative speech. The following are expressions using body parts. Choose the correct option which denotes the meaning of these expressions. To leg it down, to walk, to hand it over, to give. To lips the words, to speak the words without sounding them. To raise one's eyebrows, to show surprise or displeasure. To foot the bill, to pay for it. To eye something, look at with desire. To give ear, to listen to. To have no heart, to have no pity. To bad mouth, to be rude. To poke one's nose, to infer. To be all ears, to be attentive. To make up one's mind, to decide. Chapter number 12, enchanting epics. An epic is a long narrative poem that usually narrates the deeds of an ancient heroic figure. Read the brief descriptions for a few epics and name them using the clue box. Read the brief descriptions of a few epics and name them using the clue box. This epic is based on the legend of Trojan War. It narrates the story of the Greek struggle to rescue Helen from Trojans, the anger of Achilles, and the destruction of Troy. The first is Iliad. Second, it is one of the longest epic poems of the world. It deals with the rivalry of two great ruling families of India, the Kauravas and Pandavas. The second answer was this, Mahabharata. This epic is believed to be written by Homer, the great Greek poet. It describes the exploits of the heroic figure during his homecoming after the fall of Troy, that is Odyssey, a great Indian epic poem written in Sanskrit by Valmiki. It depicts the conflict between Rama, the incarnation of Lord Vishnu, and Ravana, who is considered as a representation of evil forces. The fourth is Ramayana, a great epic written in the 17th century by John Milton. The epic poem begins with the Satan's devilish plans to take revenge against God for his expulsion from heaven. The fifth is Paradise Lost. A great Persian epic based on the historical and mythical accounts of around 50 Persian kings. Its name itself means Book of Kings. The most famous story of epic is that of legendary king Rostam and his son Shohrab. The sixth is Moby Dick. The sixth is Shahnameh. Seventh, it is a Roman nationalistic and patriotic poem which narrates the evolution of the great Roman Empire. Aeneid. Aeneid. Okay. Now we'll go to page number 73, magical joins. Join any four numbers, find the total. Joins can go up, down or sideways, but not diagonally. The score shown below is 8 plus 15 plus 6 plus 18 is equal to 47. So this is your homework, you have to do it. Next is find the highest possible score, find the lowest possible score. Now try and join finding numbers and find the highest and lowest score. Page number 74. Chapter number 50. Big or small. Filling the squares so that each digit from 1 to 4 occurs exactly once in each row and columns. Greater than and less than signs indicate the relationship of the two adjacent squares. Okay, so here there will be 1, 2, 4 and 3. 3, 1, 2 and 4. 4, 3, 1, 2. 2, 4, 3, 1. Greater than and less, and that sign indicates the relationship of 2. समझा आपको? Next, join 12 dots with 5 lines without lifting the pencil. So how will you, like this? This is a 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next, chapter number 51. Next in line. Look at the pattern in each row. Color the shape that continues the pattern. तो जो पैटर्न कंटिन्यू कर रहा है उसको शेप को आपको कलर करना है. तो कौन सा पैटर्न कंटिन्यू हो रहा है? द ब्लू वन, बॉल. सो कलर दिस बॉल. सेकेंड विच इज कंटिन्यू दिस, sorry, the brown one, that is continue. And the third one is this. Fourth is same again, but this one. Then in fifth, this. Okay, like this you have to do it. So page number 76, chapter number 52, mental maths. So test your mental ability by solving the following 20 questions. See how many you can solve correctly in 10 minutes. Each question carries 1 mark. So this will be your homework. Okay.